Hola, estudiantes. So this is the last bit of work I'm going to assign you all because next week we're going to get to meet up and have a Zoom call to say goodbye for the end of the year. So I will put that on the Power School, but the meetup is going to be on Monday, May 18th at 11:45 a.m. So I'll make sure to put that on our Power School. So for this week, you're going to read a little article about some special visitors that have shown up at the beach in Mexico. Okay, so there are two different levels of the same article. There's the novice entry level, and then there's the more advanced level. So you pick whichever one you want to do. All right, so it's going to look a little bit like this. This is the article. You're going to read it. You're going to use the key down here for some of your vocab. And then additionally, you can use word reference to help you decode some things, okay? All right. And then when you're finished, you're going to do the worksheet. And I have one, this is the harder version here. Yeah, this is the harder version here. So you're basically going, you don't have to paste any letters. You're just going to write the letters and a message to me under the assignment assigned to you on Power School under my page. So you'll see here, let's see here if I can move this over a little bit. Yeah, there we go. All right, so, whichever second half of a sentence matches Quintana Roo es, you would put the A there. So instead, we're just going to number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's going to be 8 sentences that need to be matched. Okay? So all you have to do is write those 8 letters out and then put the corresponding, the 8 numbers out and put the corresponding letter, the correct match. All right? And you're going to do that by going to your activities under assignments. That's one way you can find it. You can also find it under your calendar. But then you're going to click here on visitors in Quintana Roo. Actually, that should say week 6 and not week 5. Sorry. And this is the teacher version, but yours is going to have an area where you can message me, and you'll just write me a message and say, this is what I found. And you'll just put 1 through 8 and then the corresponding letters, and then you'll be done. Very easy, right? Okay, let's go back to my page because I have some other work, optional work for you. Distance learning, week 6. All right. Next, you can check your answers for last week. Okay. So the answers to the Cinco de Mayo sheet are right here. And then I've got some optional work. This is a really cool podcast that I have found and we really enjoy in my family. So they have a couple of podcasts in Espanol. Most of theirs are in English, but you can listen to an explanation about coronavirus targeted toward kids to answer these questions. So if you do want an advanced challenge, I highly recommend that you do this in addition to the worksheet. Okay? Well, I sure miss seeing you all, and I look forward to seeing you next week on our Zoom call. So take care and email me if you have any questions. Me mande un email si hay preguntas. Adiós.